Hey you guys, my name is James Diaz, and today I'm going to teach you how to play Where Were You in the Morning by Shawn Mendes on the guitar. So let's get started. The chords for the entire song, except for the bridge, are exactly the same chords. It's going to be a C to a D, then an E minor, then you're going to play an E minor and a D. So C, D, E minor, D. And the chords for the bridge is just a C, a D, and an E minor. A C, a D, and an E minor. So for the entire song, it's a C, a D, an E minor, and a D. And then for the bridge, it's a C, a D, and an E minor. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to play the intro, the first verse, the pre-chorus, the chorus, and the bridge, just so you can see where all these chords are placed in the song. And then I'll teach you the picking thing at the end of the video. Alright, so the intro is going to go like this. It'll go. And then you would go into the first verse. You said I wanna get to know ya, why you gotta get my hopes up? You said that you were staying over, but then I woke up to the cold air. Then you're gonna go into the pre-chorus. Alright, and the pre-chorus is gonna go, how could you make me believe that there was something in between you and me? Yeah, I look around, I don't see you. Then you go into the chorus. Where were you in the morning, babe? You didn't leave your number for me, left me without a warning, babe. Where were you in the morning, babe? How do you just walk away? How do you just walk away? Then you go into the second verse, but it's the same as the first verse, so I'm going to skip ahead to the bridge for you. Alright, so the bridge is going to go, I hope you had a good reason, cause I know you had a good time. And I'm looking up at the ceiling, and I keep wondering why. Then you go into the chorus, where were you in the morning, babe? But that's basically where all the chords are placed in the song, so I'll teach you the picking thing I was doing. Alright, so the picking pattern is exactly the same the entire song. You're going to start with the C, and you're going to hit all the middle strings, just leaving out the top two or the top E string and the bottom E string. So you hit the A, the D, the G, and the B string all at the same time for the C. So it's, and then you're going to stop it. So it goes, and then you go to the D, you hit all the same strings, but you hit them twice. And you stop it, and then you go to the E minor, all the same strings, stop it, then you're going to hit an E minor, then you're going to hit an E minor again, and then a D, and just let them ring out. So, dun, dun. So all together, slowly, it'll be. Alright, so it's the C, once, stop, D twice, stop, E minor, stop, then E minor, and a D, and just let them ring out. Then you go, then you repeat it. So it's, at full speed, it'll be. Alright, so that's the picking thing you could do for this entire song, and now we're going to talk about a book.
If the last tree in a forest fell in a forest, it would be a desert. But if a cactus fell in a forest, stroke my imaginary bit. Is this good? Am I doing this? I'm gonna touch my nose. Is that weird? Am I supposed to put my hand up here, or is it supposed to go down here? Yeah, that seems right.
Save the Trees. Buy a book. The Girl with the Train is on Amazon. The links are in the description below.